I don't I need something more. I need something more in my life. Pictures came through in my mind. Tell me what you see. A tourist dream of visiting sights, half-forms.
Is this not the larger game states positioning ourselves in MMOs, playing roles, collecting achievements to fulfill our dream? Quote, the collective decision-making leads through this predictable future, like the apparatus operator, complex with the camera. We see aesthetics, styles, and character customizability. We exist in a form of futurology, schismed across time. Even when we exist in the now, that moment, it's one we prescribe to ourselves. So necessitating some idea of rest that really plays into the wider game.
24 years ago, my wife Becca died in a car accident.
No, too bad, bro. Crying about it, women.
You know, I miss her very dearly, and when I saw your voice here, and I just saw your appearance, your spitting image of my Becca. No, I don't mean to make you uncomfortable or anything, but can you just say that you love me? Just one last time, and I'll leave you alone. I just need to hear you say it. I miss you, Becca. That's all I need. It's truth.
I love you.
An uncle who couldn't catch any fish switched to feeding them and ended up becoming best friends with the fish. Frustrated by his poor fishing skills, he started feeding the fish with his bait. To his surprise, he gained their trust. Now, whenever the uncle waves his hand, the fish swim over to him. He feeds them using a spoon filled with fish food. When he gets into the water, the fish gather around, forming a line and waiting patiently to be fed. The fish are well behaved and obedient around him. They don't swim away no matter how much he pets them. The uncle often picks them up and strokes them. Some are really big, probably weighing around 10 pounds each. Before long, the uncle became like a father to the fish. They get plenty of food every day, and the uncle is no longer lonely. He enjoys his life of petting fish, making other anglers jealous.